So when it comes to whether you replace or you repair a roof, you really have to start with, what is your strategy? What's your exit strategy? What's the game plan for this house? It'll make all the difference in the world what you decide, but that's where you start. If you're moving into this house yourself, or you're going to be a landlord and have tenants move into this house, but you're going to be the owner of it for a long time, you're probably just simply going to want to replace a roof because you'll get the benefit for years and years to come, and you'll get to depreciate it. But maybe that's not your strategy. Maybe you are a seller financier. And just because the roof's leaking doesn't mean you can't seller finance the house and the leaking roof to a buyer who wants to solve those problems himself for a reduced price. So here's an example. You know, as a seller financier, and that's probably what I'm the best at of all the strategies, because I spent 27 years seller financing my buyers into the houses that I own. You know, what's cool about seller financing a house is I don't need to fix up a house to seller finance it to someone who wants to fix it. So I can seller finance the house and the hole in the roof to someone who wants to fix it. Of course, I have to adjust my price. You know, if I'm completely remodeling a house and I'm seller financing it, then it's one price. And if I'm buying a house, I'm not doing anything to it. I'm not fixing the broken windows and the door that's hanging on one hinge, nor am I fixing the hole in the roof. Then I sell it at a reduced price. And a lot of people want to buy houses at the reduced price with a 30-year mortgage with a low payment, and then they want to do the work themselves and get the benefit of the appreciation and the forced appreciation. So you don't always have to fix a leaking roof. Like I said at the beginning of this episode, it depends on your strategy what you want to do.